Hi, does the Samsung Galaxy S25 have dual SIM slot? So let's find out together. For that, we need to open SIM tray, which is located on the bottom of the phone. And to do this, we will need to take this tool, which is called ejector and goes in a compact with the device. But if you lost it, don't worry, you can try to use a needle, but be really careful because you may damage the slot. Now we will need to place this ejector pin in this little hole. Slightly press till the slot will pop up like that. And just take it out using your nails. And now let's take a close look. So we can see here space for the first SIM card. And if we flip it, we see space for the second SIM card. So the answer is yes. The Samsung Galaxy S25 does have dual SIM card slot. And also, let's go simply put back this slot. We can open settings. Here, find connections tab, then SIM manager. And after that, we can customize settings for each SIM card, such as set a preferred SIM for calling, texting, or using mobile data. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.